Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create stunning motion graphics in Canva. It will work like this. So let's start. To create a video, open a Canva video page, click on elements. In the search box, search for sandwich. Let's select this image. Reduce its size from upper end and lower end and place it like this. Increase its width. Now go to elements and in search box search for shape. Select box and place it above the image. Change its color to black, make it transparent. Place it above the image like this. Now click on color. Reduce its transparency. Again click on box. Add another page. Go to elements. Select this circle. Increase its size. Place it in the middle. Click on color. Select this color in the background. Click on text, add some heading. Click on effects, select curve, select font, select color, pick white color, place it above this circle. Click on effects, increase curve size. Now again click on effects, increase its intensity. Change this text and rotate like this and place it on the bottom side on this circle. Now select this circle and reduce its transparency to 0. Select both these texts and group them. Now click on copy and now on the first page place that copied text, increase its size and place it here like this. Rotate it. Rotate and you can check how it will look like. Now place it on the bottom side like this. Now click on elements, click on sandwich. Select this image, remove its background using BG remover. Now increase its size. Now duplicate this page. Place this image on the bottom side. Similarly, place this image at this point. Now click on match and move, increase duration, and you can run and check. It will work like this. Now click on second page, duplicate that page. Now come to third page, select this image, increase its size. Click on layer, show layer, and now bring this layer to upper side and place it like this. You can check with rotation how it will look like. And make in this way so that text will come. Increase zoom size. Now click on page animation, match and move, increase duration. Now you can play. It will work like this. Now duplicate this page, select this text, rotate it so that the bottom text will come to the top side. Now select this image, select the behind image and remove. Now select this image and place it here below the text. Click on page animation, match and move, increase its duration, and when you play it will work like this. Now again duplicate this page, select this page, delete this image, delete this text, delete this. Now you have blank page. Click on videos, select video, set video as background, click on text. Let's select this one. Edit this text, edit and change this text, reduce its size. Let's place it here and increase its size. Click on text, add some text. Reduce its width. Let's place this text here. Reduce width. Change its color. Let's pick white color. Now select this text, click on animate, select bounce. It will work like this. Decrease its intensity. Now select this text, select bounce, on enter. Or you can select both. That's all, it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.